Good afternoon and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. This is the first live assembly I have done in a long, I don't know if I've ever done one, to be quite honest. Tonight I am assembling a Serbian, I'm looking at my notes, a Serbian Gibanica. Gibanica, that's what it is, Gibanica. First thing I want to do is quickly go over the ingredients, sort of in order. I'm going to do my best. All right, let's go. First, we're going to start with ricotta. No, I'm sorry, feta cheese, Parmesan, sharp cheddar. I have some Greek yogurt, 2.5 eggs, yes, 2.5, trust me, garlic, minced onion, some neutral oil, good old cow juice, good old vitamin D milk, baking powder, kosher salt, white sesame seeds. Here's the other half of the egg. And hiding the phyllo dough, nicely tucked away. And I have a prepared 9x9 baking dish that's, like I said, already prepared with butter. And I got a big bowl. So let's start assembling. Everything goes in, except for a few little items. I'm going to give this yogurt a quick stir and get that going in there. And the eggs. Garlic, the onion, for those who remember the gentleman from the bayou, the oil, the milk, baking powder, and the salt. And we're going to mix this all together. And by the way, my oven is preheating to 375. And there she is. She's all ready to go. No rehearsal today, just going straight at it. So one first sheet's going to go in this way. And then the next sheet is going to go the opposite way in a crisscross pattern. And then, according to the instructions I had read, actually before that, let me think about it, it's going to get messy in here. So I'm going to put on some gloves. Personally, I think gloves are an essential in a kitchen. I'm going to put a couple of spoonfuls of the cheese mixture down in the bottom. And so what some of the instructions I'm reading is basically to rip up some of this, dip it in the now you can see why I put gloves on. Basically, we're going to layer it like lasagna. Another layer of cheese goop. And we're going to go for the next round of phyllo. If I can get them apart. I hope everybody had a good day. Weather is beautiful here in Sutter County, California. Yeah, but I got a warming trend coming up. And another layer. So, do you have a favorite Serbian recipe? I'll be honest, this is my first. I've had a lot of firsts since the beginning of May. But that's part of the adventure. I am having a great time exploring new cuisines and urban spice blends from various parts of the world. And I hope you're enjoying my adventure too. I'm going to put one last layer of the cheese filling. Clean up my work area a little bit. I'm going to clean up these edges. And what I'm doing off camera is getting the final two layers of phyllo. Kind of like putting a duvet on a bed. I'm going to pop off the gloves. Take some kitchen shears. And trim. And we're going to egg wash generously the top so it browns nicely. So, quick question for those of you who are viewing this wonderful video. What would you like to see the casual chef, aka me, do assemble live or cook live? Now I got some sesame seeds here. These are white sesame seeds. And what we're going to do is just going to sprinkle these on top. A little more over here. And there is tonight's Serbian Gibanica, you know what I'm saying. All right. If you'd like to see the finished product, jump on Facebook in about an hour, hour and a half after it comes out of the hot box. All right. And with that, this is going to go in the hot box for about 30-35 minutes, and you'll be able to see the finished product in Facebook. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun